Ever pondered on the term Power BI Report Server? Well, it's high time to unravel this enigma. Power BI Report Server, a component of the Power BI suite, is a platform that Microsoft developed to host Power BI, mobile and paginated reports on premises. It's a powerhouse of a tool that allows you to keep your data and reports all in one place, on your organization's own secure servers. Picture this. Power BI Report Server is like a private library where you are the librarian. You can control who has access to which information and ensure that your data is secure and in compliance with your organization's policies. You're in charge of your data, keeping it safely within your organization's firewall, providing a sense of security that cloud platforms may not offer. But how does it work? It's simple. You create Power BI reports using Power BI Desktop, a companion application. These reports are then published directly to the report server instead of Power BI service on the cloud. The Power BI Report Server is a behind-the-scenes maestro, orchestrating the distribution, storage, and security of your reports all on premises. Now, you might think, that sounds fantastic, but surely it must be difficult to manage. Fear not. Power BI Report Server is user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that allows you to manage your reports effectively. It's as easy as clicking a button to publish your reports, and just as simple to access them. And here's the cherry on top. Power BI Report Server isn't just about hosting reports. It also provides a rich, interactive experience for users to explore and gain insight from their data. It enables users to create beautiful data-driven reports that reveal the stories hidden in the data. To summarize, Power BI Report Server is a secure on-premises solution for report hosting and distribution. It allows for total control over data, provides an interactive user experience, and is easy to manage. It's more than just a platform. It's a tool that empowers organizations to make the most of their data, with the added confidence of security and control. So the next time you're tasked with managing data and reports, remember Power BI Report Server. It's your private data library, your secure fortress, and your key to unlocking the stories in your data.